Today people are acquiring more and more digital devices, and they do not leave home without a cell phone. At least one device requires regular charging, and every next day you need a convenient place, a special place to do it, so that you don't have to creep around. The most convenient place is the desk. As a rule, there is a PC or laptop on it. There are also other handheld devices, phones, cameras, smartphones, netbooks. Table Power Strip Power Cube Mini will fit harmoniously into this high-tech setting. The gadget stands out as having more unusual design than regular white strips. Table Power Strip Power Cube Mini comes in two colors, black and silver, with 4, 3 or 2 sockets. The product features compact sizes and reduced height. Due to its LEDs, beautiful design, high-quality materials and well-thought set of features, the device is a welcome guest on any desk. The cable length is the same in all models, 8 meters. The rated voltage is 220 volts. The total rated load power is 0.5 kilowatts. The rated load current is 2.5 amperes. Select a power strip with the color you like, install it on the desk and connect it to the mains. Everything is ready for work. Charge cell phones, cameras and other devices.